Every ride creates a new adventure, and finding the best boys and girls mountain bicycle can make childhood even more memorable. A perfect bike brings excitement, confidence, and the freedom to explore the world with joy. In this video, discover a bicycle that inspires outdoor fun, encourages active lifestyles, and helps create priceless moments that families will cherish for years. Number 1. Cheap price hot sale 12-inch 16-inch 20-inch kids bike. 95% pre-assembled, quick 4-step setup. Long Run Kids Bicycle is delivered in 95% fitted condition. Parents just need to attach the handle, pedals, side training wheels and seat. Designed for kids, not for speed. EVA foam tires are intentionally used in kids' cycles for low-speed learning, better control, and long-lasting performance. Unlike air tires designed for adult or high-speed riding. Sturdy and safe build quality, durable steel frame, anti-slip pedals, soft grip handlebar, and protective chain guard ensure a safe and stable riding experience for kids learning to cycle. Easy to assemble and maintain. Minimal assembly required. Parents can set up the kids' bike quickly without professional help. Low maintenance design keeps it ready for daily use. Number 2. New Kids 16-inch Boys Bike Mountain Bicycle. Choosing a suitable bicycle for a growing child can create lasting memories filled with happiness, outdoor exploration, and healthy activity. This mountain bicycle for new kids offers an exciting way for young riders to enjoy fresh air while building confidence during everyday adventures. Parents often look for a balance between enjoyment, value, and reliability when selecting a bicycle, making this option a popular choice for families seeking a meaningful gift. Designed for boys and children who enjoy movement and discovery, this bicycle encourages an active lifestyle away from screens and indoor routines. Every ride can become a special journey, helping youngsters develop independence while creating unforgettable moments with friends and family. Its attractive appearance and child-friendly design make it appealing to both parents and young riders. Manufactured in China, this kids' bicycle represents an accessible solution for families searching for a dependable riding companion. Whether for birthdays, celebrations, or everyday enjoyment, it can bring excitement, smiles, and a sense of achievement that makes childhood experiences even more rewarding and memorable. Number 3. 8 years old boys and girls baby bicycle. Childhood becomes more meaningful when young learners have opportunities to enjoy outdoor recreation, develop self-assurance, and create joyful memories. This bicycle for boys and girls from 3 to 8 years old offers a wonderful way to encourage daily movement while supporting an energetic and playful lifestyle. Families searching for a thoughtful present often appreciate products that bring lasting happiness and inspire valuable experiences. Suitable for kindergarten children and primary school students, this bicycle helps transform ordinary afternoons into exciting moments filled with discovery and imagination. Riding through parks, neighborhood paths, or open spaces can strengthen a child's sense of independence while providing opportunities for social interaction and active engagement. These memorable occasions often become treasured parts of growing up. Its appealing style attracts attention from both children and parents looking for a dependable option. As a wholesale bicycle choice, it can also be an excellent selection for retailers seeking products with broad family appeal. Every ride offers a chance for laughter, adventure, and personal growth, making this children's bicycle a meaningful addition to a young rider's everyday routine and recreational activities. Number 4. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20-inch children's bicycle. Watching a child discover the joy of riding can be one of the most rewarding experiences for any family. This children's bicycle for baby girls and boys creates opportunities for exciting outdoor moments, helping young riders enjoy fresh surroundings while building confidence through everyday activity. Designed for children between 5 and 8 years old, it supports a fun and engaging lifestyle that encourages movement and exploration. Parents often search for a bicycle that brings happiness, creates positive memories, and inspires children to spend more time outside. This ride-on bike offers a wonderful way to turn ordinary days into meaningful adventures filled with laughter, imagination, and personal achievement. Whether used during weekends, school holidays, or family outings, it can become a cherished part of childhood. Its attractive appearance makes it appealing to young riders who enjoy expressing their personality through recreation and play. As children continue developing new skills and gaining independence, this bicycle can help create a sense of accomplishment and pride. Every journey becomes a memorable experience, making this bicycle a valuable choice for families seeking enjoyment, growth, and lasting smiles. Number 5. The 14th of December 2016 Inch Kids Bike Children Boys Blue Cycling. Every child deserves an opportunity to enjoy exciting outdoor experiences that inspire curiosity, energy, and personal growth. This Blue Kids bicycle offers a wonderful way for young riders to spend meaningful time outdoors while creating unforgettable memories with family members and friends. Cycling encourages exploration, helping children discover new surroundings while enjoying healthy recreational activity. Parents often seek products that bring genuine happiness and support positive development. This children's bicycle can become a treasured companion during afternoons at the park, neighborhood outings, and weekend adventures. Each journey provides a sense of achievement that motivates youngsters to embrace new challenges and enjoy greater independence. The eye-catching blue design appeals to boys who appreciate stylish and engaging recreational items. As children continue learning and growing, a bicycle can play an important role in encouraging confidence, imagination, and active living. Shared moments spent riding together often become cherished memories that last for many years. Suitable for families searching for a thoughtful gift, this kids' bike combines enjoyment with lasting value. It offers a rewarding way to encourage movement, outdoor engagement, and joyful experiences throughout childhood while creating countless reasons to smile.